Good morning, dear students. As you know, we are doing chapter The Junk Seller. In this chapter, we have learnt about money. We have learnt that money is the medium of exchange in the form of coins and notes. Indian currency is rupee, and this is the symbol of rupee. People use money to buy goods and services. Whenever we go to market and we purchase grocery, vegetables, fruits, clothes or any other items, we pay money to them to buy them. And whenever we take the services of doctors, lawyers, plumbers, carpenters, means whenever we take the services of helpers, we pay money to them also. We pay them in the form of notes or coins. Today we will learn how to convert money. Means today's topic is conversion of money. First of all, we will learn how to convert rupees and paise into paise. Dear students, to convert rupees and paise into paise, first convert rupees into paise and then add the paise. For this, we should have the knowledge of relation between rupee and paise. And as you know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise or 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. Dear students, as we know that whenever we want to convert bigger unit into smaller unit, we always multiply. And here 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So what we will do to convert rupees into paise, we will multiply by 100. And for this conversion, we have one more interesting method to convert rupees into paise. Means what we can do? We have two methods. First, as I told you, to convert rupees into paise, we multiply the number of rupees by 100, or what we can do? Or to convert rupees and paise into paise, we can simply remove the point. We can simply remove the point. Dear students, we will solve the given examples with both these methods. Okay. Solve first question. What is given in this question? We have to convert rupees 14.25 into paise. As we know, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. And we can write this given amount like this also. 14 rupees plus 25 paise. This is the long form to write the given amount. Means what is given? 14 rupees plus 25 paise is given. We have to convert this amount into paise. What we will do for this? First of all, we will convert the rupees part into paise. And for this, what we will do? We will multiply this with 100. And this will become paise, and then we will add this given amount of paise. So when we will multiply 14 with 100, we will get 1400 paise, and what is given? 25 paise is also already given. So now if we will add 1400 plus 25 paise, we will get 14 1425 1425 paise. Okay, this is the one way of converting rupees into paise. And as I told you, we will solve this question with second method also. And what is that? It is, we can simply remove the point. Means if we want to convert this given amount of rupees into paise, we can simply remove this point. So if we will remove this point, what we will get? We will get 1425. 1425, and this is our paise. So both the answers are same. So dear students, you can do with one of these two methods. Means you can solve by this method. You can first convert rupees into paise and then add paise, or you can solve with this second method also. In this method, what you will do, to convert rupees into paise, you will just remove this dot and you will get the answer. Okay, let's see the second example. In this, what we have to do, we have to convert rupees 44.50 into paise. So we know 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, and first of all we will write this short form of money into long form. What we will write? We will write 44 rupees plus 50 paise. And now we will convert this amount of rupees into paise. So for this we will multiply it with 100. 44 into 100, and then we will add this. So what we will get? 44 into 100 will be 4400 paise plus 50 paise. Now as you know, both the amounts are right now in paise, so you can easily add them. What we will get? We will get 4450 paise. Okay, and if we want to solve this with our second method, then what we have to do? We have to just remove this dot, and what we will get? If we will remove this dot, we will get 4450. 4450 paise means 4450 paise, and both the answer are same. Okay, so if you want to solve these question by one of the method, you can solve with direct method also. So if you want to convert this amount of rupee 153.08 with the second method only, you can solve by just removing this dot, and your answer will be 153. You will not put this dot now. 08 paise. Okay, like this you can solve one more question with the second method. Rupees 606.00, no paise, but you have to put these zeros also. Okay, so if you want to solve this question by the second method, you will just remove this dot. but you will not ignore these zeros. Okay, so our answer will be 606. You will not put the dot, but you will put the zeros. 0 0 paise. Okay, so dear students, try to solve these sums by yourself in your notebook. Thank you.